we guide you through how to update your Windows 11 drivers quickly. So the first thing you need to do is to press Windows K plus X and select Device Manager to open a list of all your hardware. Next, find the device you want to update, right-click it, and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers so Windows can locate the latest version online. If Windows doesn't find a new driver, visit the manufacturer's website, download the compatible driver for your system, and run the installer. After updating, restart your PC to ensure changes take effect. Additionally, you can use Windows Update by going to Settings, Windows Update, Advanced Options, Optional Updates, check for drivers updates in bulk. Remember to back up important files before updating critical drivers to prevent any issues. And consider settings a restore point so you can easily revert if something goes wrong. By following these steps, your system will stay optimized, secure, and running smoothly without unnecessary lag or errors.